It is another verbal reasoning class, and I'm so excited today. Do you want to know why I'm so excited? I am so excited because today we will be learning the vowels and the consonants of the English alphabet. Do you want to learn the vowels and the consonants of the English alphabet? Welcome to the class. At the end of this class, you will be able to explain the meaning of a vowel and a consonant. So we're going to look at the vowels in the English language and the consonants in the English language. Then also you are going to identify the difference between a consonant and a vowel. Then also identify at least 10 words with double consonants. Before we look at the difference between vowels and consonants, I would like you to know that there are 26 letters of the alphabet in the English language. And then also we have 44 sounds in the English language. Out of these 44 sounds, we now have what we call vowels and consonants. So let's go on and then look at the difference between vowels and consonants. Vowels are sounds produced with free flow of air through the speech organs. What does it mean? It means that when you want to produce or when you want to say a vowel sound, the air is released freely. There is no obstruction of air. And there are 20 vowels in the English language. So we have 20 vowels in the English language. Now let's look at consonants. Consonants are sounds produced with partial or complete closure of the speech organs. What does this mean? It means that when you want to say a consonant, the air does not come out freely. Either there is a full closure of the speech organs or partial closure of the speech organs. Now, the major difference between a consonant and a vowel is in consonant, when you want to say a consonant, there is a partial or complete closure of the speech organs. Whereas when you want to say a vowel sound, the air is released freely through the speech organs without closure or obstruction. Again, there are 24 consonants in the English language, while there are 20 vowels in the English language. It is very important for us to know that every consonant has a letter representing it. So let's look at the consonants and the letters representing each. Okay, don't forget that in this class we're looking at vowels. Our topic is revision on vowels, meaning, and the features of vowels. How do we identify vowels? What is a vowel? Now, in English language, we have 44 sounds in the English language. Out of these 44 sounds in the English language, 20 of them are vowels. So it means that a vowel is a sound in English language. Really? Yes. A vowel is a sound in the English language. Now, vowels are sounds produced with free flow of air through the speech organs. What does that mean? It means that when you want to pronounce a vowel, when you want to say a vowel sound, the air is released through the speech organs freely. There is no obstruction of air. While the other sound known as consonants. Consonants are sounds that when you want to say them, when you want to produce then there is either a full closure, total closure, or partial closure of the speech organs. So it means that consonant air doesn't come out freely, but vowels, the air is released freely. And again, I said that we have 20 vowels in the English language. So we're going to look at these sounds today, and then later we will be taking the sounds one by one. So let's look at the overview of the vowels in the English language. Now we have the symbol representing the sound, and we have what is going to help us in saying the words, in saying the sounds. And then we have examples. Okay, the first sound we have there, I would like you to notice the slash signs in each sound. Now, they are used to indicate that they are sounds and not letters. The first one, E. E. Examples, meet, see. And then we have the second one, which is similar but not to the first one. It's short I. Again, I. Example, pit, set. The next sound we have is pronounced as air, but it's short, air. Example, pen, men. Okay, the next one is pronounced as a. Now, examples are cat, cat, plat. The next sound is also a, but this time around it's longer than the first one. Ah. Again, ah. Part, cart. And we have the next sound. It's short of pot, box. Again, oh, pot, box. The next sound we have here is pronounced as oo. Again, oo. And it's very short. So let's look at words that represent this sound. Book, wood. So let's say the sound again. Oo. Again, oo. And the next sound, it's longer than this first one we just said now. Ooh. Let's go. Ooh. Again. Ooh. Examples, do, to. I would also like you to know that to is pronounced as to in isolation, but when you have it in a sentence, it's not realized as to. So let's say the sound again. Ooh. Again. Ooh. And the next sound is ah. Now place your tongue, let your tongue be central. Okay? Not above or below, but central. Ah. Again. Ah. Again. Ah. And the words are cup, cup, fun. Again, fun. The next sound is long er. Er. Let's go. Er. Examples are girl, bird. Then we have the short type of the sound. Eh, leopard, cupboard. The next sound we have, it's pronounced as A. A. Let's go. One to go. A. A. 8. 8. Okay, great. So let's look at all the vowels. Now let's look at this table. This table shows us some of the consonants and the letters representing each. The first one is P, P, as in P, as in paper. Then the second is B, B, B as in book. Then we have K, again K, and the K has different forms. It has K, letter K. It's also realized as letter C. It's also realized as double letter C. Also realized as CK. Also realized as CH. And also realized as Q. And the next one is G. It has also different forms. It can be realized as G. It can also be realized as double G. It can also be realized as GH. It can also be realized as GUH. So these are some of the letters representing G. And next one is S. Again, S. And the letters are S, SS, C. The next consonant is Z. Again, Z. And it has the letter Z or Z as the case may be, and also it has X representing it. That's the next sound. Again, again, it has the letter T, also has the letter TH, and it has the letter ED. The next consonant is D. Again, D. Again, D. D has the letter D, and also it has letter ED representing it in a word. The next sound is F. Again, F. It has two letters, F and PH. The next one is V. Again, V. Again, V. And it's represented by V as in van. Then we have N. Again, N as in night and in night. We have represented as M as in man. We have ink, ink. Again, ink. And the letters formed by this sound NG as in sing, sing. Okay, so let's continue with the other consonants and sounds or letters representing them. The first one is, now here, your tongue is placed between the upper teeth and the lower teeth. Now let's go bath. Again, bath. While the second, the tip of the tongue is placed in between the upper teeth and the lower, as in bathe. Bathe. Again, bathe. We have sh as in shirt. The next sound is sh. S as in measure. Again, measure. The sound is j as in measure. We have the next one, sh, represented as ch as in church. Again, sh, represented by ch as in church. Church. Then we have j, j as in judge. The next one is the W. The W, and the sound is w. Again, w, as in wall. Then we have the sound L. L, as in land. The next one is Y. Y, as in yellow. We also have H. It is called a glottal sound, and is represented by letter H, as in hotel. And the last consonant we're going to look at is R. R, represented by letter R, and the sound is ring. Again, ring. Well done, children. Now let's go to consonant cluster to find out the meaning of consonant cluster. I know now that you can identify the consonants in the English language and also the vowels in the English language. So let's look at double consonants. A good number of words in the English language have what we call double consonants. So what this means is you have two consonants together in a word. For an instance, you have the word trigger, trigger, tunnel, butterfly, class, wedding. Now you have two consonants in each of these words, and these consonants are similar. They are the same. So your task, think of 5 English words with double consonants. Of course, I know you can do that. Come on, go on and try that. 5 English words with double consonants. Do not forget that the consonants must be the same. Well done! It is classwork time, and you are going to do Unit 2 of your verbal reasoning inside out textbook. And you're going to do exercise 2.1, 2.3, 2.4, and 2.5. So till I see you in the class. Bye.